Would you guys recommend rolling every day if your scalp can handle it? Would you guys recommending rolling every day if your scalp can handle it? So Christian, this is a good question. I get this often. This is a question that people are asking, and the truth is you should be focusing not on the details. You should be focusing on the 80-20 of what is going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. And that the most important thing is being consistent in the protocol, not worrying about the details. Like if you focus on being consistent and following the Adegen protocol, like I explained it, you will have great results. So can you roll every day? Yes, you can roll every day. If your scalp can handle it. I personally recommend every 3 days. We've had people that roll every other day. The concern with rolling every day is that your scalp will get oversensitive, and then you won't be able to use the brushes and brush aggressively with the shampoo, because by brushing with the shampoo, it exfoliates the scalp and removes the dead skin, dandruff, and sebum. And if you're rolling every day, your scalp may be too sensitive to do that. So it's better to roll every 2 days or every 3 days if your scalp gets sensitive, so you can still use the brush. So again, guys, consistency over time is going to be your best. It's going to be your best key to success. Not focusing on and trying to, maximize and go crazy. It's the simple principle of the tortoise and the hare. Be consistent over time, and you'll have great results.